To watch me make this French toast, just keep watching. First, you're going to want to wash a half a cup of fresh strawberries and dice them. Next, take 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam and 4 tablespoons of cream cheese and mix it together. This is going to be the filling for the French toast. Now, take a cup of heavy whipping cream, two large eggs, one tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Whisk everything together until there are no streaks of egg, no clumps, and everything is nice and smooth. So my camera wasn't recording, but you're just going to want to cut a little pocket and take out the bread. Don't cut all the way down to the sides, just cut a little bit at the top. Next, with a very small spoon, you're just going to want to fill up the pockets that we cut. You don't have to overfill them because at the end you can use the leftover filling and put some extra on top. I actually did this in the beginning. I used the coffee grinder, but if you have a blender, I would use a blender. It's going to be much quicker, and you're just going to blend up your Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Next, you're going to want to put olive oil and butter, and while that's warming up, get your bread and dip it into the whipping cream mixture. Don't soak it, and just take it out and put it in the Cinnamon Toast Crunch powder crumb thing. And then put it on your pan and cook both sides evenly, and then you can cook the other sides as well. For the cream, it's 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're just going to want to mix it all together until it's nice, smooth, and no clumps. Here I'm cutting up some strawberries that I'm going to use as decorations on my plate, and I put the cream in a Ziploc bag and cut the tip. So to plate it, you're just going to want to add a little bit of the filling on top. Take some powdered sugar and lightly dust it across. Add the strawberries and then the icing. So this is the final product. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.